So guys, even though I'm using Windows 10, this also works on Windows 11. So for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. And now you want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You want to double click on it. And then you want to make sure that the starter type's on manual and that the service is stopped. So you want to click on stop and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC, and then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. For me, it's my C drive. It shows the Windows logo right here, so I know this is the right one. So you want to double click on your Windows drive, and then you want to click on Windows, and then you want to scroll down until you find a software distribution folder. You want to double click on it, and then you want to delete everything in this folder. Just hover over this and click on delete. If you get this, click on use for all current items, and then click on continue. Now some files and folders may not get deleted, but that's fine. By the way, if you could not find the software distribution folder from earlier, then you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And now once you're in this, you want to click on View. And then you want to tick Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. And then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in Services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You want to double click on it. And then you want to change the startup type to Automatic. And then click on Start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.